Hello and welcome back to EduDose, your channel for decoding pharmacy the smart way. Today's question, is mixing and blending the same thing in pharma? The short answer, no. And this difference can mean the success or failure of a formulation. Mixing is general. You can mix solids, liquids, or gases. Like mixing sugar in tea, you stir and it dissolves. No precision needed. Blending is much more precise and controlled in pharmaceuticals. Think of it this way. Mixing is like tossing a salad, all ingredients together. Blending is ensuring every bite has exactly 2 raisins, 1 olive, and 3 grams of cheese. That requires precision. In pharma, blending is crucial for uniform distribution of tiny amounts of active ingredient throughout bulk powder. Case study: a batch of 200 mg tablets containing 5 mg API. Goal: ensure each tablet has 5 plus or minus 0.25 mg of API. But the operator skipped the uniformity check. Result: some tablets had 3.5 mg, others 6.2 mg. Product failed. Content uniformity. Root cause: improper blending. USP and ICH guidelines emphasize content uniformity. Failure in blending equals product recall and regulatory penalties. Remember, mixing and blending are not synonyms. In pharma, blending equals science plus precision. Always validate blending time, RPM, and sampling. Precision in blending is the silent hero behind every successful tablet. Thanks for watching EduDose. Like, share, and subscribe for more simplified pharmacy concepts. Let's explore how mixing works in pharmaceuticals and why it's so important for every tablet and capsule. Mixing ensures that every dose contains the right amount of each ingredient, which is vital for patient safety. There are 3 main types of mixing. First, convective mixing, where large groups of particles move together, like gently tumbling flour in a bowl. Next, shear mixing, where layers slide past each other, breaking up clumps. Imagine spreading butter on bread. Finally, diffusive mixing, where tiny particles move randomly, evening out differences, like sugar dissolving in water. To achieve these types of mixing, pharmacists use tools like the mortar and pestle for small batches, and ribbon or V-blenders for powders. For liquids or wet granulation, high-shear mixers and planetary mixers provide powerful uniform blending. Mastering these mechanisms and tools ensures every medicine is safe, effective, and consistent. Keep exploring with EduDose. Welcome to Dr. Satish Polshettiwar's educational YouTube channel, your gateway to smart pharma education, innovative research, and industry-driven formulation science. Whether you're a pharmacy student, academician, researcher, or pharma industry professional, this channel is made for you. Subscribe for case-based content, real-world insights, and formulation tips.